In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your mouse cursor in Windows. Changing your cursor is a simple way to personalize your computer and, in many cases, make it easier to see and use. Maybe you want a larger pointer, a darker one that stands out more, or even a completely different style. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the built-in Windows settings so you can adjust your cursor exactly how you like it. First, let's open the Settings app. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and the letter I together. That's the quickest shortcut. If you prefer using the mouse, you can also click the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen and then choose Settings from the menu. Once you're in Settings, look for the section related to devices or accessibility, depending on your version of Windows. On many systems, you'll want to click on Devices first, then find Mouse on the left side. On newer versions, you may go directly into Accessibility or Ease of Access, and then choose Mouse Pointer and Touch. The wording might be slightly different, but you're looking for anything that mentions mouse or pointer. Inside the mouse settings, you'll usually see a link or option that says something like Additional Mouse Options or Additional Mouse Settings. Go ahead and click that. This opens a smaller window with several tabs across the top. One of these tabs will be called Pointers. The Pointers tab is where you control how your cursor looks. At the top, there's a Scheme drop-down menu. Click on that to see a list of preset cursor schemes. These might include options like Windows Default, Large, Extra Large, or Inverted in both black and white styles. When you select a scheme, you'll see a preview of all the different cursor shapes used for Normal Select, Text Select, Resizing, and more. Pick a scheme that looks comfortable and easy to see for you. If you want to preview how it feels, click Apply and move your mouse around the screen. If you like it, you can click OK to save and close the window. If not, you can try another scheme until you find one that works. If your version of Windows offers it, you can also adjust pointer size and color directly in the main settings window. Sliders and color options there let you make the pointer larger or choose a custom color, which can be very helpful for visibility. Once you're happy with your selection, you're all set. Your new cursor style will stay active until you change it again.